Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool Amazfit here, and basically what this is a smart fitness watch or a smart fitness tracker. And we see the one that we got here is from this brand right here, and this is basically what the product is called. And on this slide right here, we see this is basically what the product looks like. And we can see on the slide right here, they probably got some of the specs and features that's on here, and also on this side as well. And for this product right here, it definitely has a built-in Alexa option, so if you guys want to use that option as well, you definitely can. And then obviously for this product here, since it works like a smart fitness watch or fitness tracker, it basically has everything that you guys probably want or need for like working out, going for runs, such as like measuring your heart rate, keeping track of time, the timer option, and so much more. But definitely when you see the way how to design this watch right here, it looks very nice. So that way you can use it as both a sports watch and also a regular casual watch as well. But I'm just open this up to show you guys what the product looks like and show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so inside they do probably a little box. So let's take this out first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what the product looks right here. So you can definitely see the watch inside right here, but there's probably some more accessory in the bottom. So let's take everything out first. Alright, so when you take it out, you can definitely see there's some stuff inside right here. So when you guys open up, this actually looks like inside right here. So definitely provide guys a cable that's going to use to actually charge the product. And then for the other side right here, if you guys open up, this actually looks like inside right here. So they do provide a user manual right here to teach you guys how to set a product and also how to use it as well. If you can see inside right here, they do provide the QR code. So definitely want to scan that QR code to actually download the app. So that way you guys actually connect it on the app before you guys use it. And that is basically everything that's included in the package right here. Now I'm going to show you guys what the watch looks like. So when you guys first take out the watch, this is what it looks right here. So you basically have the watch option right here, and there's two buttons on the side right here. And definitely you see the way how to design the wristband option right here. It feels really nice. And for both of these wristband options right here, they are replaceable. If you see the back right here, if you guys unclip it right here and unclip it right here, you guys can definitely take it out or replace a new one. But definitely when you guys feel the material on here, it actually feels pretty nice. They do mention the watch on here and the actual band right here, they are water resistant or waterproof. So if you guys want to use it for like water sports, or if you guys want to use it when it's raining, it's totally okay for you guys to actually get it wet. And in terms of the battery life on here, they mention when you guys fully charge it, they mention how the product can give you guys up to 24 days of usage on here from one full charge. If you see in the back part right here, is basically where it's just plugging in the cable to actually recharge it. It definitely has the heart rate monitor option on here as well. So basically when you guys are ready to actually use the product, you guys want to press and hold the button right here down. And it turns on right there. So once you guys turn it on, you definitely want to actually set the settings on here first. Once you guys do that, it'll tell you guys to actually download the app. So that way you guys can actually pair it onto the device. So I should do that first. Alright, so we got connected. And basically actually accept it on your watch as well. So it looks like we're all done. We can basically start using it now. So basically, if I can see in this area here, they show you guys how to actually use the different settings on here. So swiping up and swiping down, swiping left and swiping right. And basically once you guys set up right here, this actually looks right here. If you can see, it show you guys the battery life and all the different specs and features that's on here. And if you see on top right here, if you guys click on it right here, you can definitely change the user face on here if you guys don't like the one that's already preset for you guys. And you see there's definitely a lot of different options on here if you guys want to actually change it. But obviously, like I mentioned earlier, it gave you guys a lot of different options on here, such as the heart monitoring option, the heart rate monitor option, the sleep breathing quality monitoring, the stress monitoring. It definitely give you guys the option to actually look at the weather, the alarm, the calendar, and also the Alexa option if you guys want to actually use that as well. So if you guys want to use the Alexa option, you do need to actually connect it on the app first. So I'm actually do that first. Alright, so we got it all connected. So basically start using it. If you guys are curious about what the apps is on here, you basically actually click on this option right here, and it basically show you guys all the different apps on here. And definitely rearrange everything on here as well. So that is a little bit to show you guys what is actually included on the app right here. Now let me show you guys what is actually on the watch. Alright, so when you guys turn on the watch, this actually looks right here. So if you guys want to swipe it on here, just go like that. And that is basically actually get on here. If you guys swipe up, you guys get that option on here. If you guys swipe this way, you guys get that option on here. And if you guys keep swiping, you definitely get a lot of options on here as well. If you guys click on this button right here, it basically gives you guys a bunch of workout routines on here. So you definitely select what you guys want to actually use on here. If you guys want to go back home, click on that button right there. And that brings you guys back home. But you can see right here, show you guys the time option on here. And right here, show you guys like the PAI and the heart rate monitor option on here. And if you guys are on the home page, if you guys click on this option right here, it shows you guys everything that's included on here. If you can see, there's definitely a lot of different options on here. But let's test out Alexa option on here first. So we go this way right here. If you guys click on this option right here, how are you today? Alright, so you see the product definitely does work if you guys will actually use that option on here. So basically everything is typed out and not said out loud like your typical Alexa speakers. But I'm actually put this on to show you guys how the heart rate monitor option on here works. So basically actually click this part on here first. You have to make it tighter or looser based on your own preference. Once you guys have it on, this actually looks like this right here, and this actually looks like this right here. So now we have the heart rate monitor option on. If you can see, it definitely does work. So probably after like a few seconds, you can definitely see the result on here. Alright, so you can definitely see the result on here. So it didn't take that long to actually get the result. Probably less than like 1 minute or 30 seconds. And obviously for the product here, so it actually works like a smartwatch. It'll definitely give you guys like app notifications or like phone notification on here as well, if you guys actually allow that on here. So definitely see the heart rate monitor option on here definitely does work. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Now I'm just plugging the cable to show you guys how to actually charge it first. So I'm going to take this off first. And basically I'm actually plugging this cable right here first. Alright, so we got the other side plugged in. And then for this side right here, I basically want to clip it on. Just like that. And we see right here, it definitely show you guys that it is charging. So I'm assuming when this light connects, that is how you guys know when it's actually fully charged. Or if you guys want to, you can definitely look on the app as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Now that you're unboxing and testing the product, now the answer question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially trying to look for a high quality smartwatch that basically works as a fitness tracker as well. That basically has everything on here in terms of timer option, the heart rate monitor option, the blood oxygen monitor option, and so much more. And also if you guys like the design of the actual product as well, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.